Here we go again. Welcome to another edition of Rupert's weekly property show. Well, yesterday I have shown you a building plot on Murcia, you remember? Today I'm showing you a sun lounger. Well, actually two sun loungers. Fine. These two sun loungers come with a fantastic terrace. There we go. And as you can see, it's not only the terrace, there's also a property behind. All this comes up on the reference 3969 on the dedicated homepage of Quality Homes Costa Calida, which is qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are today in Garden 7 here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, so we are back on Condado after yesterday's excursion to Alhama Golf. And today we are looking into a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment with 2 sun lounges. Okay, obviously there will be more than the 2 sun lounges, so just let me show a little bit the terrace over here. So we have a privacy screen here. We are a corner plot, by the way, so it's a slightly wider terrace than normal. And as you can see, it's a fantastic day today. We have about 29-30 degrees at the moment. It's really pleasant because it's not that hot. It's quite dry, so we're not suffering from humidity. But let me follow up with this property. So what we see here is already one of the mod cons this property provides, which is the famous under-stair cupboard, which is quite a useful thing to store golf buggies, golf trolleys, not buggies, might be a little bit too big, or bicycles, or just the beach gear, or whatever. That's ideal. Here we have the terrace. We do see quite a decent outside furniture. I have to say, this looks pretty good. As well, there is an awning on top, obviously, which provides shade. But as we are selling sunshine, blue sky, I asked the people to put it back where it is. It's very useful in the morning. We have sun here until early afternoon, so that's quite useful to make it a little bit more shady. But now the sun is ready in the back. We will see it soon on the back terrace. So I'm showing you this great half sun, half shade terrace now. It's 5 o'clock here in Spain and Murcia on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Having said that, let me enter now this beautiful apartment through the sliding door, where we see again another mod con, which are these mosquito nets here, which is quite useful. Oops, there is a mosquito right there, which is quite useful because it keeps the mozzies out, and at the same time, well, we walk into the property now. What we see is what we get. So the property is fully furnished, fully equipped, and we will see all the equipment now on our little tour. As you know, Rupert's weekly property show is back again, and we show today a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and I skipped the mirror today. Happy days. Okay, after having seen the living room, kitchen, here we go. So we have a washing machine here in the kitchen. We have oven, hot extractor fan, all the other mod cons, fridge, freezer, so kitchen. No to say. We have a toaster, we have a coffee machine, we have a kettle. Well, you see the things, no? What we have as well, oh, that's nice. We have already a water filter here. So this property comes already with a water filter. That's great. Good. Back in the living room, as you can see, it's quite a good sized living room, sold as seen. It's reference 3696 on the dedicated webpage of Quality Homes Costa Calida, which is qualityhomescostacalida.com. Having seen the living room, we now just go straight on to the master bedroom. Also, again, quite nicely furnished to say. And the master bedroom with its sliding door leads then directly to the back terrace, but we will see this in a second. All bedrooms are fitted with, as we can see, fitted wardrobes. We have air conditioning as well here. There was already one air conditioning unit in the living room. So that's again the master bed. As we said, it's sold as seen. And now we're coming ready to the back terrace, and I promised you some sun. And it's quite sunny over here to say. So in the afternoon, in case you need more sun, then here we are. So that's the so-called back terrace, but in this case, it's also at the same time the front terrace. Again, covered by a massive awning, which provides shade over here. In case you need more sun, as we say, we just put the awning away. The nice thing here is as well that we are very close to the Condado Club, where we have all kind of sports installation, means paddle courts, means football pitches, means tennis courts, and there's also quite a nice bar restaurant over there. So that's all in walking distance. I think that's quite an asset as well. What we see here are the letterboxes. Talking about Condado Club, they are running again a very successful football academy for the juniors. For more information, I think it's condadoclubfootball.com or condadofootball.com, where you can also apply. Maybe your kids are interested in having a special training for football. In half-term holidays, they were packed already, and it was pretty successful. And so far, I think they have now for the upcoming season already 90 boys and girls here attending the football academy. So in case, it's one of the many activities on site, and I think it's pretty interesting and also pretty close to this property. Okay, we are back on the terrace here. As you can see, apart from the beautiful lounge here we even have some drinks here, which we will definitely enjoy after our show. We have here the air conditioning units out there and another storage cupboard. So that's more or less the back terrace. Big awning and again, mosquito netting. The thing is that it's not really the mosquitoes, it's rather the flies. We have twice in the year, we get quite some silly flies for 2-3 weeks even. And this really helps to get rid of them, well, to keep them out of the property. We are looking now at the second bedroom. I have to say that both beds, well, in both bedrooms, are single beds joined together, so they can be separated again. So in this case as well, it's 2 mattresses joined, which can be already, which can be again separated. So you just put one of these bedside tables in the center, and you have again 2 beds, 2 single beds, one beside the other. Also, this room is fitted with air conditioning, as we see. There we go, and as well, oops, you hardly see that, fitted wardrobes. Coming to the bathroom, also the bathroom has been quite modified to what it is normally. Normally there would be a bathtub here. So they have created here a walk-in shower, and as it's a corner unit, we also have a window here. As well equipped with mosquito netting, quite useful. Well, you can hardly see that, so I'll show you. Well, now maybe you can see it, I hope. Okay, so that's the mosquito netting. Otherwise, it's quite nicely done. There's another mirror, but I try to keep out of the mirror. So, this is now the bathroom. As we can see, walk-in shower, quite nicely done, gives a good impression. And we come now to the third bedroom. Oops, there is no bedroom because this is a dining area. Quite nice idea, to be honest. No, Anna?
Absolutely.
I think it's a nice setup here, because when you don't need the third bedroom, then you just put a dining room here.
Exactly, and it creates a separation also between the dining and the living room, because
Exactly.
oftentimes you have the dining table in the living room, leaving the living space quite small. And this, well, if you don't need the third bedroom, if maybe you don't have that many grandchildren,
Not yet, maybe, yeah.
Ideal use of the space, absolutely, and you can really sit comfortably here.
Yeah.
This table can be folded in also. This is a very special design table.
Oh, wow.
It folds down and inwards, and
I see.
Kind of pushed to the side, and then you have a lot of storage space over here.
As we can see, our main listing agent on Condado de Alhama really goes into every detail. I'm really gobsmacked. I mean, I'm also listing sometimes something here on site, obviously, but I hardly go that far into the details. So, congrats, well done. Okay, here you see my motto, which I just put here on. No, it's not. Whine a bit, you'll feel better. Can I sign this somewhere? Because, oops, now it goes. Whine a bit, and you'll feel better. So. I love this one. Yeah.
But I love this one too.
You love this one, you say?
You know where this comes from?
No idea.
Austria.
With all these naked, it can't be. that Catholic over there, it can't be.
Oh, come on, you've even got the colours everywhere. You've got the red and the
True.
white.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, well, so there is but this makes the apartment already €1,000 more expensive, no?
Well, yes, I'm not sure if this is going to be included in the sale. I do have to mention, it is sold as seen, including all furniture, fixtures, fittings, everything property related.
Yes.
Sorry, the microphone. However, there will be a few art pieces which will be going.
Okay.
Which will be detailed, where there will be a detailed inventory given, but there's just a few bits and bobs, such as the giraffes, this little wine rack over here,
okay,
and a few of the photos hanging on the walls.
Well, that's normal, no, that people take their private stuff.
Just mentioning this because you said it's sold as seen. But these 3 are staying, the geckos are going, but it's really just small items that we're talking about.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did we talk about the price already? No, you didn't.
I don't think so.
It's reference 3696 on qualityhomescostacalida.com, and the asking price is only 89,000 euros. So for 89,000 euros, we do get an entire fully fitted, fully kitted apartment with nearly all mod cons fitted. I wouldn't know of a lot what you can add to this one, honestly.
No, there's not much that you need. Even the gate has been replaced. It
Yes.
looks like the original one, but it is actually a
This looks to me like an original Mark Langton
Mark
gate.
Langton, yep.
Congrats, we also have one, and it's still there. I think.
Mark, this is the best gate they have. I have the same one. And
Yes.
Really
Yes.
Yep.
So
indestructible.
congrats to Mark Langton, because they are really indestructible. Unfortunately, he's not doing them anymore, no?
I don't think so. No.
No.
But yes, you're absolutely right. They really have gone. There's not much else which could be upgraded. If you wanted to, you could add another awning over here. But what for?
Yeah, I mean, but we are
don't
already.
have any sun at all.
Yeah, exactly. And otherwise, I think it's a great apartment. Yeah. Okay, having said that, obviously I have to say that because I'm the broker here at Quality Homes Costa Calida, amongst others. So again, reference 3696 on qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price is 89,000 euros. Obviously, sensible offers will be taken into consideration. Community fee is 107 euros per month, including the 100 megabit up and download line for the internet, including all the international TV channels, including all services provided by our great community, starting from security, pool cleaning, gardening, street cleaning, street lights, and all the other stuff that's done by the community of owners. We're really thankful that STV, the service company here, is providing us all these services. So happy days. 107 euros per month as community fee, 89,000 euros as asking price. Reference 3696 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And watch out for these boards. They're all over the resort, because this one is going up here now. So don't you worry, when you drive through the resort, you will mostly see for sale boards by Quality Homes Costa Calida, or you might see already a sold board by Quality Homes Costa Calida, because we are still, I would say, well, I shouldn't say the best agents on site, but I would say we have the largest portfolio and the longest established. And, well, I think that's it. Yeah. Happy days. So thank you very much for watching and listening again to another edition of Rupert's Weekly Property Show. And stay tuned. I will see you latest next Thursday. But as you know, I might come up with a pop-up show at any moment. Stay tuned. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.